We're here at Magic Johnson Park in the inner city of Los Angeles. I patrolled this area and I discovered that there were a bunch of stray dogs around here. You see two now. There's about 6 or 7 that are staying here on a regular basis. Animal control, they are extremely short-handed, so it's kind of difficult to get them out here. After seeing Street Dogs of South Central on TV, I got the idea to contact you to see if you could help the dogs out here in this situation, and here we are today. What I'd love to see happen is to get the cooperation of the county animal control and have these dogs picked up, brought to animal control, and then with the help of Street Dogs of South Central, be able to put the word out to a lot of people and ultimately get these dogs homes, get them adopted out. I'm sure they'd be great pets. Come here, baby. Come here. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, they're a little skittish, of course, being out here on the street. These two, they pal around all the time. As you can see now, they're warming up to me. Just unfortunate circumstances for these guys, but very adoptable. They probably just got dumped out on the street by someone that couldn't afford to have them any longer. They would be, as you can see, very appreciative of having a good home. Huh, puppy? Yeah.